it's Kate with WTI, and if you're struggling with storage, this 4-tier shelf from IZEUK may be your solution. I love how large this shelf is. It's almost 4 feet wide, so it gives you ample room to store all sorts of things. This one has a really nice finish, so if you wanted to use this right in your living space, it would still look really great. We personally like to use it in the basement. It's awesome for storage for camping gear or workout equipment, all of those big bins that you have nowhere to put. Well, now you do. It goes together very easily. It has these little plastic clips, and so you can choose where you want your shelves. So if you have taller items, shorter items, you can customize this to fit exactly what you need. Once you slide the shelves on the rods, they fit on really snugly and they're not going anywhere. This shelf is rated for up to 1,400 pounds, so that is a lot of weight. So even if you have tires that you want to store on here or something a little bit heavier, you can do that. Awesome for a garage or honestly any space in your home where you're lacking storage. I definitely think the shelving will be the solution to a lot of your storage problems, and that's my point of view.